So this is the old siding. Very difficult now, looks very overgrown, doesn't look very well kept. And if I pan round, you can see the River Camel, sorry, in the distance there. The railway followed the River Camel all the way up to Bodmin Moor. And this is the old trackbed, the original railway, the 1834 railway, not the 1890s railway. Came along here. And where that tree's fallen, ran through. Now the Rothern Branch was constructed again for geological reasons. There are a lot of stone quarries in Rothern Bridge, or near Rothern Bridge. Again, stone and minerals were very much the mainstay of the early railways. So in the 1830s, it would have been virtually impossible to get significant quantities of stone out by rail. So a little railway like this would have been the perfect way to get your product to market. The railway was funded privately by the Molesworth family. They still have a family seat up at Pencarrow House, which is not very far from here. And they funded the railway, and it was effectively their farms that benefited from it and their quarries that benefited from it. And so this is, we've just come onto the Rothern Branch. There's the back of the platform on the Bodmin to Wadebridge branch. And we're just going to wander up here and take a quick look at the Rothern Branch and just see what we can see. And then I think we'll end the video as we go over the River Camel.